Insta360 is stepping into the drone world in a big way, and if the buzz is anything to go by, their first drone could be a real game changer. After years of pushing the boundaries with their compact 360 cameras, Insta360 is ready to go airborne, and it's doing it with a twist. This isn't your average drone with a gimbal and a lens on the front. This one's designed for creators, storytellers, and visionaries who want something immersive, cinematic, and downright magical. What makes it so exciting? Well, for starters, it's compact, ultralight, and rumored to feature dual fisheye lenses that stitch together stunning spherical video. Think invisible drone shots, buttery smooth stabilization, and the ability to control the camera angles after you've already flown. It's the kind of drone that lets you shoot first and direct later. Welcome to Factic, where we explore the future of tech for creators. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this drone so special. The most exciting part of Insta360's drone technology is its ability to make the drone itself disappear. Literally. If you've ever used or seen footage from the Insta360 Sphere, you'll know how magical it looks. The dual fisheye lens design captures a full 360-degree view and then seamlessly stitches the footage together to remove the drone, propellers, and even shadows from the final video. What you're left with is a smooth, floating perspective that feels like a camera gliding through space on its own. No visual clutter, no distraction, just clean, immersive footage. This is a huge step forward in aerial videography. Traditional drones lock you into a single camera angle. If you miss a shot, you have to fly again. But with Insta360's approach, you capture everything in a single flight. Forward, backward, sideways, top-down. It's all there. And the best part? You decide how to frame your footage after you've landed. Using the Insta360 Studio or mobile app, creators can choose the most dynamic angles, reframe scenes, apply zoom effects, and add movement in post, all from the same clip. This is a dream for solo creators. No more planning 10 different shots. No more flying multiple times just to get variety. Instead, you fly once and have everything you need to create multiple videos with different perspectives. This setup basically gives you the power of a full drone crew with just one drone. Another major highlight is the drone's compatibility with existing flight systems. The Insta360 Sphere, for instance, is built to wrap securely around popular DJI drones like the Mavic Air 2 and Air 2s. And it does so without affecting GPS accuracy, sensors, or overall flight dynamics. The balance stays solid. The drone flies naturally, even in windy conditions or at higher speeds. It's lightweight enough to keep performance sharp, while still packing the tech needed to capture immersive content. The image quality is no slouch either. The system records in 5.7K resolution, plenty sharp for online content, travel vlogs, reels, and even commercial use. Color reproduction is bright but natural, with HDR support that helps in tricky lighting. You won't get the insane pixel detail of a top-tier single-lens camera, but you'll gain a whole new level of flexibility and creativity. And with Insta360's flow state stabilization, the footage stays smooth, without losing the flight's natural dynamics. Where this drone really earns its spot is in its editing freedom. Once you've captured a clip, you can pan, rotate, zoom, and push out angles with ease. Want a rotating reveal around a subject? Done. Want to simulate a crane shot or a dynamic FPV twist? You can do that too, all in post. For creators on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, this gives massive control over how you present your story. And it all happens with just one take. The ability to direct the camera after landing makes this drone perfect for vloggers, travel creators, and cinematic storytellers. Whether you're chasing mountain bikers through a trail, flying over scenic coastlines, or shooting real estate tours, you'll have all the flexibility you need to make every clip look polished and professional. Of course, there are a few compromises. Adding the Insta360 module or drone body adds some weight, about 100 to 120 grams. This puts extra strain on the drone's motors, which means slightly shorter flight times. Depending on wind and speed, you might lose around 5 to 8 minutes of airtime. It's something to keep in mind when planning multiple takes. Also, the added bulk slightly increases drag, so flight handling may change in breezy conditions. But honestly, the creative advantages far outweigh the downsides, especially if you carry a few spare batteries. This system is especially useful for niche creators like real estate agents or travel influencers. Imagine flying through a house, capturing both interior and exterior with smooth transitions, and then reframing it later for a walkthrough that feels cinematic instead of robotic. Or capturing wide, scenic vistas during your travels and deciding later whether to focus on the landscape, the person, or the movement. It turns a basic drone flight into a storytelling opportunity. What began as a niche tool for advanced users is quickly becoming a favorite for more casual creators. People are realizing that the ease of use, paired with the wow factor of invisible drone shots, is too good to pass up. It's a lightweight, non-invasive, and regulation-friendly way to add serious flair to your content without needing massive rigs or post-production tricks. Bottom line, the Insta360 drone system isn't just another drone. It's a tool that redefines what creators can do from the sky. You're not just filming the world, you're capturing it from every angle with total control over how it's seen. And that's a wrap on our look at Insta360's bold entry into the drone space. If you're someone who loves storytelling through visuals, this drone isn't just another gadget, it's a whole new way to create. From invisible flight paths to post-production magic, it's built to give creators power, flexibility, and results that grab attention. Here at Factic, we're always looking for tech that changes the game, and this one definitely makes the cut. It's lightweight, versatile, and full of potential. Whether you're shooting real estate, travel adventures, or cinematic content for your social feeds, this drone opens up a world of creative possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Factic for more deep dives into the coolest upcoming tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one with more gear, reviews, and future-ready tools you won't want to miss.